Alrighty, so we did a variation on a two-handed whip today. We talked about for the two-handed whip, I like to use kind of this wide connection through 3 and 4. So we have 1 wide, 3 and 4. So I feel like I have a little more control there. If I'm starting with one hand, I actually ask for it really early. 1 wide, 3 and 4. We then talked about the followers on your 3 and 4, getting that right side, left side switch a little bit more. So we have 1, 2, right side back, and switch it 4. Yeah, that gives a little bit more movement to it. Then we did the single outside turn, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We then took that into a hammerlock. So remember my thumb's going down, and I guide my follower into a circle. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, around. She can do some styling as she walks around. I like it. And then eventually, I just let her out and slide down underneath the arm to the handshake handle is the exit that I like from this. We then have the duck option. So we have 1, 2, 3, over 4. You want to be here by 4, right? Notice that I kind of actually draw this back and up before it comes over and down, and I land with my thumb down, and then this is actually where I let go of the fingers. Slight pressure, not a lot, just enough to signal forward to duck. My elbow comes up, this hand swoops out and around, fingers stay connected, so I can stabilize her the whole way through, so we end up in this position in case she needs it, which she didn't, as we slide to this hand at the end. So straight through, that one would be 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, around, and finish. Thank you guys so much, great job. I have an event called Jack and Chillerama that I run in California in June. Second weekend of June in Orange County. Kind of our focus is we do lots and lots of different fun contests as opposed to just the usual ones. And then the social dancing is crazy. Not only does it go super late, but we do a lot of things that are different than usual. We have our normal music. We've got a blues room. We have a throwback room. We do a soul hour. We have a live blues band one night. We have like a glow party with a DJ on turntables another night. So we do a lot of things different, mix things up. We go to Disneyland on Monday. It is an awesome time. I would love for you all to join us. JackDon'tChillRama.com. Thank you for